Namaste students, welcome to 7th standard social science. Today we are going to see unit 2 geography landforms book back question answers. First we are going to see answer the following. Question number 1, define erosion. The answer is erosion is the wearing away of the landscape by different agents like water, wind, ice and sea waves. Next we are going to see second question answer. What is a plug pole? Answer is plug pole is a hollow feature at the base of a waterfall which is formed by cavitation. Next we are going to see question number 3. How are oxbow lakes formed? Answer is due to continuous erosion and deposition along the sides of meander, the ends of the meander loop comes closer and closer. In due course of time, the meander loop cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake, also called an oxbow lake. So, while I am teaching the lesson, I shown that what is meander and oxbow lake. So, due to the meander, it will form that oxbow lake. Okay, because of the erosion and deposition. Next, we can go for the fourth question answer. Name the major landforms formed by glacial erosion. Answer is Suck, Reds, U-shaped valley. So these are the landforms will form due to the glacial erosion. Okay. Next we can go for the fifth question answer. Give a note on mushroom rocks. Answer. In deserts, rock in the shape of a mushroom commonly called mushroom rock. In desert area, so mushroom like a rock will be there. So that is the mushroom rock. Where it is present? In desert rock. In desert. Question number 6. What is a lagoon? Give an example. Answer is lagoon is a shallow stretch of water partially or completely separated from the sea. Example, Silka Lake in Odisha, Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, and Vemnad Lake in Kerala are the famous lagoons in India. Okay. So, lagoons is a shallow stretch of water. அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, அதாவது ஆழமற்ற ஒரு பகுதி தான். ஸோ பார்ஷியலி ஆர் கம்ப்ளீட்லி செப்பரேட்டட் ஃப்ரம் த சி. ஸோ இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒடிஷாவில் சில்கா லேக் ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, ஆந்திராவுக்கும் தமிழ்நாடுக்கும் இன்பிட்வீனில் புலிக்கட் லேக் ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, வேம்பநாடு லேக் கேரளாவில் இருக்குது. திஸ் ஆர் த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் த லாகூன்ஸ். ஓகே. So 6 question answer we are completed. Next we can go for the distinguish between. Distinguish between question number 1, tributary and distributary. What is tributary and what is distributary? A stream or river that flow into and join a main river. A stream or a river that flows into and joins a main river, that is tributary. A stream that branches off and flows away from a main stream, that is distributary. So example for tributary, Amaravati is a tributary of river Kaveri. Example, Kollidam is a tributary of Kaveri. Next, second, distinguish between V-shaped valley and U-shaped valley. Answer: V-shaped valley and U-shaped valley formed by erosion of rivers. So U-shaped valley formed by lateral and vertical erosion of glaciers. Example: Kambam Valley in Tamil Nadu, Leh Valley in Ladakh. So these are the example for U-shaped valley. We can see the third, distinguish between continental glaciers and mountain glacier. So glacier means பனியாறுகள் நமக்கு தெரியும். Continental glacier, mountain glacier. Glacier covering vast areas of a continent with thick ice sheets is called continental glaciers. Stream of ice flowing along a valley is called mountain glacier. So example for the continental glacier: Antarctica and Greenland. So here the mountain glacier example, the Himalayas and the Alps. Alps mountain present in Europe continent. Okay. Next, answer in paragraph question. Answer in a paragraph. First question: explain different landforms produced by river erosion. So river nalla enna mariyana landforms create ஆகுது. The running water in the river erodes the landscape, which creates a steep side valley like a letter V, known as V-shaped valley. ஸோ ரிவர் ஃப்ளோ ஆகும்போது அந்த லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப் எரோட் ஆகிறதுனால வி ஷேப்பில், ஸோ வி லெட்டர்ஸ் மாதிரி லேண்ட்ஃபார்ம்ஸ் க்ரியேட் ஆகுது. அதுக்கு பேர் வி ஷேப்டு வேலி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் ஃபார் திஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் டீட்டெயில்: falling of river water over a vertical steep in the river bed is called waterfall. It is formed when the soft rock are removed by erosion. Example: Kutralam Falls across the river Chittar in Tamil Nadu. Next, plung pole is a hollow feature at the base of a waterfall which is formed by cavitation. Alluvial fan is a deposition of sediment occurs at which the river enters a plain or a foothills. Okay, so first detail we are completed. Next we can go for the second detail. Okay, first detail, first detail, fourth and fifth point will be there. 3 points only we are completed. Fourth points ma. As the river enters the plain, it twists and turn, forming large bends known as meander. So river enter ஆகி plains போகும்போது, plains enter ஆகும்போது river enter into the plains. ஸோ அப்போனா ஆகும், டேர்ன் ஆகும் இல்லையா? ஸோ டேர்ன் ஆகி நிறைய பெண்ட்ஸை க்ரியேட் பண்ணுது. அந்த பெண்ட்ஸை தான் நம்ம மியாண்டர் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். மியாண்டர்ஸ் அலாங் த ரிவர் வெள்ளார் நியர் Setiatop in Kadalur district. It is present in Tamil Nadu is the example for the meander. Due to the continuous erosion and deposition along the sides of the meander, the ends of the meander loop come closer and closer. In due course of time, the meander loop cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake, also called Oxbow Lake. ஸோ மியாண்டர் ஒரு ஸ்டேஜில் அந்த ரிவர் மெயின் ரிவர்லேருந்து கட் ஆகி ஒரு லேக் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். அந்த லேக்கை தான் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா ஆக்ஸ்பவ் லேக் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். சரிங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் we can go for the second detail. Describe the landforms associated with wind? Answer. Winds erode the lower section of rock more than the upper part. ஸோ அப்பர் பார்ட்டை விட லோவர் பார்ட் தான் அதிகமாக எரோஷன் ஆகுது விண்டுனால அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. An isolated residual hill standing like a pillar with rounded tops are called Inselberg. ஸோ தனியாக நிற்கிற ஒரு ராக்கு அதனுடைய டாப் ஆஃப் த பொசிஷன் வந்து ரவுண்டட் ஷேப்பில் இருந்தால் அது பேர் இன்சல்பர்க். ஸோ இட்ஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் ராக். இன்சல்பர்க் இன் த கலஹாரி டெசர்ட் ஆஃப் சவுத் ஆஃப்ரிக்கா. சவுத் ஆஃப்ரிக்காவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய டெசர்ட்டில் இன்சல்பர்க் ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அந்த இன்சல்பர்க்குடைய நேமு கலஹாரி. ஓகே, next third point for that second detail. When the winds blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in the low hill like structures. These are called sand dunes. The crescent shaped sand dunes are called barhans. Okay, when the grains of sand are very fine and light, the wind can carry it over very long distances. When such sand is deposited in large areas, it is called loess. Large deposits of loess are found in China. ஸோ எங்கே ப்ரெசண்ட்டாக இருக்குது? சைனா. ஓகேங்களா, large deposits of the loess present in China. Next we can go further. Third detail, how are reds formed? How are reds formed? Answer. Glaciers erodes the landscape by leveling soil and stone to expose the solid rock below. Cirque is a glacially eroded rock basin with a steep side wall and steep hand wall surrounding an armchair shaped depression. Third point, as the ice melt, they get filled up the cirque with water and become beautiful lake in the mountain called Tam Lake. When two adjacent cirques erode towards each other, the previously rounded landscape is transformed into narrow, rocky, steep-sided ridge called reds. Okay, so today we learned answer the following, distinguish between and answer in detail. Okay, so all should read very well, get good marks. Thank you so much.